everyone, I'm Trin and you're watching my first impressions of Austria. But to do that, let's land it in the capital first. And I'm so excited because this is our first time to Austria.
What's the city?
Vienna.
Very good.
And the airport was not like what I had in mind because
It's open for me. Walk right in and you have food.
You want some
Isn't
food?
it amazing? Look at this. Elsewhere, you walked in, you land, you walk in, there is no food. Yet.
Yet. Okay.
You have to
we need
go
to
through
there.
immigration. But here you can just grab something.
Yes.
that is pretty interesting to us. But now we have a question. How are we going to get to our accommodation in the downtown? How do you say it? Frankfurt, Driver, Zugang, Ost. Well, there are two ways of yours, yes, you can see here, train or bus. But we chose the third way, which is perhaps Bolt or Uber. It's a little bit expensive in our experience.
So, because it's more expensive, so how do you say? Please support me by watching this video until the end, okay? Thank you.
Well, I don't even know if this trip will ever pay for itself, but that's okay. We're here for the memories. So let's hop into the car. The car was pretty modern and a little bit luxury to our taste, so we were excited. Along the way, I didn't film much of the streets, but it took us about 40 minutes to get to our Airbnb. And with the power of editing, though, we have arrived here in just a few
The
seconds.
other hand. It's beautiful.
Now, let's enter the code and get into our Airbnb and be ready because I'm going to show you a few interesting things that we found during the time here.
You don't need a receptionist to do the check-in here. All you need is just to press the code.
Yes. Oh, it's the whole building is for this.
That's so cool.
Our room is on the 6th floor, but we have a little problem here.
That's
Okay.
why it's
Where's
more
the
expensive.
lift?
We couldn't see
What?
the lift.
There should be a lift.
Is there? Or is there no lift?
So we're on a quest to find a lift.
No, we're not going to carry this up to the top floor.
So the lift has been there the whole time, but we just didn't see it because it doesn't look like the usual lift that we usually see, right?
The door looks so old.
Is it coming?
Something happening.
Let's watch what's happening in here.
I see something moving.
Oh, yeah.
Very good. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Off we go. Okay.
At least we have
Don't
a
stand
lift.
too much in the middle. Somehow feels a bit.
It's like a movie. Oh my god.
Stand to the side. The middle somehow moves too much for my comfort. I stepped on it and it literally felt like I went in a bit.
Yeah.
The lift definitely has a lot of characters with time, you know, and it has our heartbeats. We were scared of it. But we arrived safely, so let's go. I'm so curious to see what the room is going to be like. Is it small? Is it big? Or what is it? Let's open the door. Wow, the floor is made of wood. So, this is Austrian Airbnb apartment is like.
We're not going out. We eat here. We drink coffee here. And we have a mirror here.
Now, let's go and explore what it has here. We are currently in the kitchen area. There were a few things obviously in the kitchen, but somehow I was drawn into explore the bathroom first. This is our home for the next 2 days. I'm just curious, is anyone else like me? Do you check bathroom first right after entering a new place? bathroom, surprisingly, is pretty good. Very good shower, and it's pretty clean. So well organized. Even hair dryer, and what's in here under the sink? Oh, okay. How do you open? Well, I have two things that I wanted to say here. First, one of the best things about this place was that you could just drink water straight from the tap, and that's amazing. Second, I have a question. It's kind of interesting to me because why were there two blankets only on the bed? This was the first time I had stayed somewhere where two people shared one bed but had two separate blankets. I had never seen that before. Or if I remember, we have a balcony for this room, but apparently I can't show it here to you because I forgot to film it. So let's move on to the next morning. Breakfast at Cafe Alt Wien. We woke up around 7, not super early, but early enough because I was really looking forward to trying a classic Viennese breakfast. You know, whenever we are in a new city, one of the first things that I really want to do is to try the local food. And I'm sure a lot of you are the same. By the way, we found this restaurant on Google Map. And finally, the dishes have arrived at our table. This is the look. Good. Look at mine. This is our breakfast in Vienna. This is the traditional breakfast of people from Vienna. What do we have here? We have a hot full of egg. Cheers! And a lot of bread. Shall we?
Yes.
I'm hungry with my life choice.
Okay, very good.
We just finished breakfast. And we're going for coffee. Yeah.
You know, I don't see coffee in here.
Huh?
Do you see coffee in here?
What happened before that?
No, I just went in and asked that we want to sit outside and should we order in there at the bar. I thought, no, there's table service. Which there is. We got that. Yes.
And we're sitting under the sun. Oh, what a beautiful day.
Is it too much?
No.
Not yet?
Well, honestly, the coffee taste is different from what I'm used to. But honestly, what interested me even more was the people that working here. Where I'm from, cafes like this are usually full of younger staff, but here many of the staff looks like they were in their 40s or 50s, and they were moving so quickly. That's just so fascinating. I thought that was really nice to see. One thing that stood out to me was how nicely people here dressed. I don't know how many were locals and how many were tourists, but everyone looked so well put together. And some people even were drinking champagne in the morning. That surprised me a lot because it's not something I'm used to seeing.
Something stronger because, yeah, there's not much coffee in there. Okay. Sweetness.
Need some sweetness in my life. Sugar.
Yes,
please.
Okay.
On the way back to our Airbnb, we needed to stop by a pharmacy because we needed some nasal spray. But the point is that I wanted to show you this pharmacy because I had never seen a pharmacy like this before. Usually pharmacies look very modern to me, but this one has such nice, classic and modern decorations blending in together. So I really wanted to show you. Now, let's continue exploring Vienna.